Hey guys, welcome back. I am just going to show you today how to set up the TIG 225 from Primeweld for stick welding, because it also has that feature and I didn't see anybody doing it, and it's super simple. But the first thing that confused me was just take your foot pedal off. So I have this all set up for aluminum TIG, or actually for steel TIG right now. Not stainless, just regular mild steel. I'm doing a move bumper and helping a buddy out with it, and we're just doing some of it with TIG and some of it with stick and some of it with MIG, just because we're experimenting. So, but I tried using this as stick, and it got me. So first, disconnect your foot pedal. You don't want anything in there unless you want to be able to vary your amperage that you're putting in, which you don't need. With stick, you just kind of set it and go. I guess if you were going to do like, 1/4 inch to 1/8 inch or something like that, then maybe like you would vary along the way. I don't know, use that at your own will, but the foot pedal will still control your amperage if you have it hooked up. So other than that, all you need to do is switch this little switch here that says TIG and MMA. You'll switch it to MMA. You won't worry about any other dial except for this one that I have 115 wrote on. Ignore that. Is your welding current. That's the only dial you need to mess with. And right now I have it plugged into 110 and I'm doing 1/4 inch. So I stuck it all the way up, and that was actually too much. I backed it off. I had about 90-ish, and that seemed to be about right for I was using a 70-18 rod in, what size is it, 3/32 or something like that. I don't remember. Let's see if it says it right there. Lincoln 70-18 3/32. That's what I was using, and mine are super old and crummy. But I'm gonna do a weld real quick with you and just show you. Also, make sure you switch your leads. You're gonna completely take this guy off. You will take your stinger, which is, this is what it looks like, this little red tip thing. Sorry, shop is a mess. Then you got this guy, and that is gonna go in your, in what I'm doing, it's going to go in the positive. So you'll switch your ground clamp to the negative, switch your stinger to the positive, and then you'll stick a stick in it and you'll do a weld. So let me set you up for that. And there you go. It's not the most beautiful weld in the world, but just for demonstration purposes, it works. So that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.